in small, shallow freshwaters.
It was once the third biggest motor manufacturer in the UK, famous for cars like Hillmans, Humbers and Singers. Now work's taking place in Oxfordshire to ensure Roots has a lasting legacy. Enthusiasts are in the process of digitising thousands of archived drawings at a new centre near Banbury. David Lumm's been to take a look.
It's called the Avenger, and it's Roots' belated attempt to pursue their competitors into the biggest and fastest growing sector of the market.
Their cars were once a common sight on roads across the country. And at this new centre near Banbury, work's taking place to make sure the Roots motoring brand is remembered forever. It contains memorabilia, photographs and more than 300,000 engineered drawings.
We are preserving a major part of Britain's motoring heritage. This is all that's left of the Roots empire, which at one stage was the third largest manufacturer in the country.
Roots had sites in London, Scotland and Coventry, but the car body shells were built at Cowley. The firm operated for more than 40 years until it was sold to Chrysler in the mid-1960s. James now has the daunting task of digitising all 300,000 drawings. They were uncovered at a warehouse in Coventry in 2002.
Initially, nobody would have known about it. It would have all gone in a skip and that would have been the end to it. But once it was rescued, we saw the significance and the importance of keeping it for future generations.
Matthew's helping James. This is his Sunbeam Alpine.
I didn't know anything about Roots until I bought a Sunbeam Alpine, and it was only then that I started to get into the sort of history of how the Roots Group had come about. It's an important piece of our heritage, and I truly believe that saving it for the future was something that we had to do.
The archiving work started 8 years ago, and so far they've only done 5%. But for James, it's all worth it.
It's a way of life almost. If I didn't come here 2 or 3 times a week, I don't know what I'd do. I'd be lost.
David Lumm, BBC South Today.